Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Kumar and today we will discuss Databricks Genie Ontology. So, let's dive into it. Imagine you run a massive business and you need to know one simple thing. Which of our products sold the most in India last month? It's a simple question, right? But to get the answer, you can't just type that into your corporate database. You have to wait days or weeks for a busy data analyst to translate your English into hundreds of lines of complex code. But what if you could just talk to your data in a plain English and get an instant answer? This is the exact promise of Databricks Genie. But there is a massive catch under the hood. And today we are unlocking the secret brain that makes it work. That is the Genie ontology. Before we look at the brain, let's look at the assistant. That is Databricks Genie. Databricks Genie is an AI-powered data companion. It sits on the top of a company massive storage system. That is data lakehouse. It functions exactly like an expert translator. Regular business user type an everyday question and Genie translate that query search through billions of data points and brings back accurate report. But wait a second. How does an AI know what your specific company mean by word like revenue, active client, or top performing? If it guesses wrong, the business make catastrophic mistake. It needs an instruction manual. That instruction manual is called an ontology. In a simple word, an ontology is a digital dictionary and rule set that explicitly teaches the AI exactly what your company data assets mean and how they connect. Think of it like hiring a brilliant human assistant. You would not just hand them the keys to a massive digital filing cabinet and walk away. You would give them a corporate handbook explaining how your specific business operates. The Genie ontology is that handbook. It tells the AI, hey, when our manager asks for revenue, run this exact mathematical calculation on this specific table. This keeps the AI from hallucinating and guessing. So let's discuss how does this manual get built. Do data engineers have to sit down and type out a million rules line by line? Thankfully, no. Databricks built this automatically using three brilliant steps. First, it scans the breadcrumbs. It automatically reads existing data table, past queries written by human analysts and corporate dashboards. Second, it applies a truth algorithm. Similar to how Google rank website, it look at who wrote the calculation, how fresh it is, and how often it's used to find the ground truth. Third, it creates a living graph, linking concept together in a wave so Genie can instantly find the verified answer. To see how powerful this is, look at the entire hierarchy of how it fits together. At the absolute bottom, you have Apache Spark, the massive raw computing muscle. On the top of that sits the lakehouse, where all company data is organized neatly in one cloud vault. Above that is our star, the Genie ontology, the brain that adds business context and rules. At the very top is Genie itself, the conversational interface that talks to you like a coworker. Okay, so by mastering the Genie ontology, company are completely breaking down the wall between complex data engineering and real world business decisions. So anyone can now unlock insight instantly. So that's it. That's the Genie ontology. Hope you understand well. Thank you very much.